Well, now that we got the garden done, my next project here is going to be to try and get another fireplace set up. I've got this big rock. I just tried picking it up with the grapple. When I moved it here, I had to drag it literally with the tractor and the grapple. But I just tried to move it again, and it seems to be getting in a worse position. I need to get it back over here. So I'm going to turn the tractor around. I'm going to try the backhoe and see if I can't flop it around into place. See if I can get it somewhere near where I want, and then I can try to position it from there. But for now, just need to flip it up out of here. I have no way to drag it out of here. It's a pretty good sized rock, and I can just barely get it up a little bit off the ground with the grapple, but there's no way I can pick it up and move it where I want. So we're going to use the backhoe here and see if we can't put this thing where we need it. That's why I put that rock back there, to try and stop it from flopping back over this way. But before I go trying to straighten it out, I got to fix this little mess right here. Kind of dug it up, so if I try to tip it back now, it's just going to flop forward again, and I'll have to start all over again. But I think that's pretty much where I want it. I just got to fill this in a little bit down here, and then I'm pretty sure I can get back here and then push it back into the position I want. Might need to bring in a little more gravel though. Pretty good divot right there. Yeah, have to put the bucket back on and level this area out a little bit better, and then I can probably get it back standing up straight, is how I'd like to have it, as the back of the fireplace. Good size rock, and I think I can get it sturdy enough that I won't need a support back here, but if I have to leave one, that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and put the bucket back on and see if we can't get this at least one stone set tonight. That'd be nice to have. I'd say that's a win. Perfect. That's exactly where I wanted it. It's yeah, that'll make a nice backing, and the rest of the stones, the rest of the rocks I can pick up and move by myself, or with the I should say pick up and move with the grapple. But from there I'll build out some walls, and I like my fireplace to be big enough to hold at least a pallet, so we can burn pallets if we want to burn a pallet. It's you know, 3 or 4 feet by 3 or 4 feet or so. Anyway, it's gonna be we'll start setting some bigger stones on the side here. I gotta put the grapple back on, and still got a little bit of daylight here. Might as well just keep going until well, actually I'm running out of fuel. I'm gonna have to shut down here pretty soonish to go get some more fuel, but pretty happy with that progress right there. That was the worst one of them all. So all right, I'm gonna swing around and grab the grapple. All right, I think that's where we're going to call it a day right there. Got those 3 rocks in place. Not too bad. I'll try to get them a little tighter tomorrow, but I had enough for today. Made pretty good progress. Get the garden in, get the fireplace started, got this area pretty much cleaned and leveled out. We're making good headway. Oh, it's been a long day. I'm going to take a break, and I'll come back at it tomorrow and see if we can't finish getting this built out. If not tomorrow, we'll get in the next couple days, but we're on our way.